Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Beauty Spot. Hope so you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you some unique beautiful hairstyles. These hairstyles are just like a butterfly, and butterfly is a symbol of beauty, transformation and grace, and what better way to capture that elegance than with butterfly inspired hairstyles. Let's start with a classic butterfly bun. This adorable style is simply yet enchanting. To create it, gather the hair into a high bun and secure it tightly. Next, there is the butterfly braid. This is where things get a little more intricate. First, start with the traditional French braid or Dutch braid. Then, with small elastic and hairpins, create loop at various points along the braid. For younger girls, how about the mini butterfly pigtails? Split the hair into two high ponytails and with the help of colorful hair bands create small pools in each pigtail that resemble butterfly wings. You can further enhance the style by adding butterfly clips at the base of each pigtail. It's super cute, fun and perfect for school or a weekend outing. Now, if you are looking for a style with a bit of fantasy, the butterfly crown is the way to go. This enchanting hairstyle involves weaving small braids into a halo around the head. For girls with short hair, don't worry, there is a butterfly style for you too. Try the butterfly clips on a bob. And let's not forget the butterfly ponytail. Another magical option is the butterfly twist. If you guys like this video, please press the like button. For watching this type of more video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.